one thing we didn't cover in this mock-up is your flat roofs. For residential homes, these could be on a portico roof, interjoining roofs between connections, balcony roofs. So flat roofing options, you can start with an EPDM flat roof, which is a rubber membrane system. We can do TPO roof systems. We also even offer a liquid applied PMMA system, Kemper. What the main component and the most important part of a flat roof system, whether it's EPDM, TPO, or even a Kemper system, is that you are mitigating the water, moving it away from your home. So what we do here is we ensure that we're pitching this roof accordingly to making sure that water is being redirected. These roof systems tend to go on top of pitched insulation boards or high density boards. For example, let's say you have a balcony roof over an enclosed area. Before that deck is being installed, we will install either some type of Dens deck or high density board beneath to not puncture or settle your roof. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call.